From that expanded space of internal connection, there's more opportunity to move forward into the self and the life that is desired. When roles within the neurobiological social engagement system ignite independently of one another, whether that's social disengagement roles carrying stress responses or social engagement roles just carrying different priorities about the self and life, it can create a variety of unique dissociative experiences because the self is not able to fully associate with all aspects of itself, but there might not be direct perception or awareness of that internal reality. Recognizing this unique neurobiological activity amplifies personal power from within. Learning how to identify individual states of consciousness within unique orders or unique order of wiring within the neurobiological social engagement system, which may be described as a form of structural dissociation. Learning how to identify individual states can help bring loving empowerment for parts of consciousness. It can help parts of consciousness feel seen for who they truly are and understood regarding how they're experiencing self and life through the structures of the neurobiological social engagement system that they are specifically encountering. It provides more power to the self as a whole as the observational self connects with parts of consciousness to help transform neural data so that all aspects of self can experience loving liberation in whatever way that looks like for the individual. Learning about how neural wiring impacts subconscious parts and where personal power resides within these experiences can help ignite loving liberation for the divine consciousness that we are. Among the many MagicKs offered in my Implicit Revelations gift package is a playbook for identifying states of consciousness within unique orders or unique order of wiring within the neurobiological social engagement system. And it can really help parts feel seen and understood and help the self have more power to be there for these self aspects, as there might be different states of consciousness where they're completely independent persons, like an adaptable consciousness condition or dissociative identity disorder, or there may be different aspects of the self encountering independent neural activity without amnesic barriers, such as in borderline personality disorder, complex post-traumatic stress disorder, otherwise specified dissociative disorders, etc., where there might not be any diagnosis and there could just be unique experiences that aren't necessarily described in these particular ways. regardless of the details, this playbook helps to identify states of consciousness in relation to the PolyVagal theory. And so there's a lot of different components to this process of identifying states of consciousness, and you can learn about how subconscious parts are encountering aspects of the neurobiological social engagement system in the brain and the body, and how that's impacting how they experience themselves and life. Once we make this breakthrough of recognizing individual states of engagement or particular aspects of consciousness within experience, or these individual aspects of ourselves, then we have so much more power to create loving space for these parts of ourselves. From that expanded space of internal connection, there's more opportunity to move forward into the self and the life that is desired. I'm really excited to share my Implicit Revelations gift package with you. You can explore all its super magical details at KristenWindsor.com/implicitgift.